Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here. I have some wonderful news to share. Our daughter Sarah and her husband Mitch are expecting a baby girl. We are super excited about it. Allan and I don't have any grandchildren. This will be our first grandbaby, and we're so excited. Allan and I, along with the help from Sarah's good friend Melissa, are hosting a baby shower for Sarah and Mitch. It's going to be called a babyq because it's going to be a barbecue, and they're having the husbands and the wives and the kids. It's a party for everyone to get together and celebrate. Let me take you along and show you how we planned and prepared and how the shower turned out. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I have many lists going in different directions. I'm going to compile everything together and get organized and make sure that we are ready for the shower. Let me show you the sign that I'm going to make for the front yard. This will make it easier for all of the guests to find the house when they arrive. Our daughter is having a baby girl, and we could not be happier. Let me give you a little backstory on Sarah and Mitch. They met 7.5 years ago, and they've been married 4.5 years. We couldn't be happier with our son-in-law. He's simply delightful, and they make the cutest little couple. They're such a sweet pair. Sarah and Mitch have a dog named Rue. Rue is 2 years old. Our daughter and son-in-law live 6.5 hours away from us, so we're preparing everything here and getting everything done that we can think of, and then we'll take everything over there. The morning of the shower, I'll go pick up some custom cookies that I ordered. They're a special surprise. They're made by the same baker that made cookies for their rehearsal dinner. I've also ordered a special Walmart cupcake floral bouquet. This is a bouquet that I saw online, and you could order these from the Walmart bakery. I've ordered it 2 weeks in advance, and I've prepaid so that I'll just have to pick it up on the morning of the shower. Our daughter and son-in-law wanted to have smash burgers at the shower as well as hot dogs for the kids that are attending. I'll go on the morning of the shower when I go to pick up the wonderful cupcake bouquet at Walmart, and I'll get all of the buns fresh that morning. We already pre-ordered the hamburger meat and picked it up from our local grocery store, and we went ahead and picked up the hot dogs, and we're going to have sausages too. I forgot to mention that. But we have all of those things ready in our freezer, and we'll just put them in a cooler with ice blocks when it's time to head over to the shower the day before. Allan and I picked out so many cute little outfits, and we've already dropped them off at our daughter and son-in-law's house, but now I'm going to be putting together a baby shower gift basket. They've already decorated their nursery, and it looks so beautiful. We were able to go shopping with them and let them pick out a wonderful glider recliner for the nursery. We know they'll be spending many hours sitting in there, and we hope that they have the ultimate comforts. We have already purchased a large quantity of water, soft drinks, and we have some chips to serve as well. I have gathered everything up we're going to need to take with us. The 3-tiered tray will be perfect for the cookies and desserts. I have all of the plates and napkins and tablecloths, everything we'll need, flatware, and some other decorations, all ready to go and load into the car. We're going to get busy on our 3-tiered tray. This is a tray I'm going to put all of the cookies and desserts on. I purchased these round doilies, and they're paper. I'm going to cut these out to go around the center post, and this way we'll be able to use all of these levels of this tray with a nice paper doily to put the cookies on. I'll have one of these doilies to put on the top shelf to put the cookies on. Then I'll have the next one here ready to measure. I'm just going to find the center point and put a little mark, and then I will cut a circle right here in the middle. I'll draw a line right down the ruler right over to the edge, and this is where I'll cut, and I'll make the circle so that it fits right around this post in the center. I mark the center, and now I'll just cut this circle right out. And here's how it looks. It fits perfectly right on the tray. We are going to be giving away prizes for every person that brings a package of diapers. They'll be entered into a drawing to win a gift card or one of these stationery sets. I'm going to get them all wrapped up and ready to go to the shower. I am definitely adding to the pile of things to take to the baby shower. Allan's cooking at the grill, grilling up the onions for the smash burgers we're having at the baby shower today.
Together like pen to paper, we're forever. I could live a life full of wonder. Without you, nothing will do. What if we ran away, just us, no plans inside? What if we took our dreams, the stories we could write? No matter where we go, we know that our love will fight.
Allan and I just returned home from visiting our daughter and son-in-law. We had such a wonderful time at the baby shower, and it was really great visiting with everyone and celebrating. We are super excited about our new baby granddaughter coming, and we cannot wait to hold her. It'll truly be a miracle and a wonderful blessing from God. I'm so happy you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I would really be happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.